Yeah, the time was fantastic. It was a long time ago. I was with my family, so I still enjoy it. At the other time, the other side, it's winter now in Belgium, so the weather is not really good. It's cold, it's raining. So at that side, I wanted to come back to South Africa because I hear that the weather is much better than here in Belgium for the moment.
Absolutely love that. That's very interesting. But Coach, something else as well. I mean, this is looking like a very busy time of the year for you. You're home in Belgium now, but I know on Friday you will be at the FIFA World Cup draw. Talk to me about how you're feeling ahead of this draw, and of course, such a big and crucial moment for South Africa, who will, of course, be in the 2026 FIFA World Cup.
Yes, I will be more in the air the next days than with my feet on the ground. So on Thursday, I'm going to Washington for the draw on Friday. So I'm very excited. For me, it's also the first time I can go to a draw for World Cup. And yes, I hope that the draw will be a little bit good for us. If we are unlucky, yeah, we will have a very difficult group, but at the other side, it's possible also that we have a group and that we have chances and opportunity to survive the group stages. And this is something I hope we can achieve.